Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be opening my monthly Birchbox. I've already taken it out of the box actually this time, and we're going to go through its contents. I have not looked in it, and hi, hello. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I do a lot of unboxings on my channel, and I also do a lot of makeup material as well. And also, as my channel name suggests, I am agoraphobic, and so I talk also about agoraphobic topics and mental health topics myself. And so if you are into any of those topics, then I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and that you hit that notification bell and set it to all, because I am here for you between 5 and 7 days a week, and we have a giveaway going on. So I will link that down in the description box down below. So if you're interested in that, then go check that out. And if you are interested in today's subject, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, before we get into Birchbox, I'm going to pull the influencer card here just for a second. It has to do with what is on my eyes. It is a new eyeshadow palette I bought, and it is called Lethal is Dead by Lethal Cosmetics and Teresa is Dead, who has to unarguably, or arguably, I don't know what you call that, but she is my favorite YouTuber on YouTube, and she is a beauty creator and influencer, whatever. I hate that word, influencer, but she reviews makeup, and she had a collab with Lethal Cosmetics, which I had never tried before. And this is her palette right here, and I tried it for the first time on my eyes. She is a horror fanatic, so a lot of the names of her shades are like Straight to VHS, The Final Girl, Spellbound, Watery Grave, Body Snatched, Ancient Evil, Predator, Creature Feature, and Vengeful Spirit. So lots of spooky names. So she named... It's just funny, I think. So today on my eyes, I used the Final Girl right here, this rosy color right here, and I'm deepening it up with the Vengeful Spirit, and used Ancient Evil all over my lid. And I will tell you, I haven't seen such quality eyeshadow since Natasha Denona. It went on so smoothly, it blended like a dream, and these metallics are second to none, I swear. They're better than Natasha Denona metallics, I'll tell you that. And I am just going, if you love color, this has got you covered again. So, and like I said, I went in with a very basic color story today, and you can do like this, or like this story right here, or you can mix them up. It is a very easy eyeshadow palette to work with, and I don't know, I just want to support my girl, and it is available on Lethal Cosmetics site and on cameraready.com, I believe. I will leave the links down below if you're interested, but I just wanted to throw a shout out to my girl Teresa, and I wouldn't recommend this if I didn't believe in the shadows myself. They are just very, very good. Okay, let's get into my Birchbox. So let's see if this Birchbox is worth roasting or not. So let's see what I've got. Okay, so it says wake up to the skin of your dreams. Okay, this box is normally $15 a month, and you get 5 sample size, deluxe size, sometimes full size, but not often. And yeah, it's more expensive than Ipsy. That's why I don't really recommend this box, because they send you weird stuff and they send you stuff that doesn't match your skin type. And they send you, just say the same stuff every time. And they send you stuff that you don't want. And the only reason I'm doing this is to roast it, and because I am locked into a 6-month agreement with them. So after the 6-month agreement is done, and then I won't be doing these anymore. So basically this is a roast. And let me see. This was my choice item here, which is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Treatment. And the full size is $85. It says the best-selling high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow. Now, Good Genes. Now, I know people who leave this on like all night. I will just leave it on my face for 30-45 minutes and rinse it off, because I have very sensitive skin. Dry but sensitive. So this is like one treatment, I think. So I'm happy with that because I picked it out. They had good choices this month. So what else do we have? Let's see. This Balance Me here. So it's an AHA mask. I like masks. The full size would be $29. It says this face mask will brighten, purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow. Smooth over a cleansed face and neck, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 15 minutes. So I'm not mad at this. I like AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids. They help with your skin, help retexturize your skin. So this looks like maybe 1 or 2 applications of it. So I'm interested in trying that out. So I can't roast them on that. Okay, next is number 4. Okay, 405 Elixir Restore and Repair Oil. Full size of this is $26. It says this lightweight oil repairs and restores shine without weighing hair down. Okay, apply onto damp hair before styling to smooth, or onto dry hair to add extra shine. Okay, I myself have limp, fine, textured hair. This is not my real hair right here. And I can't put oils in my hair. It just makes it look more oily. So I've said time and time again, I don't like getting hair stuff in my subscription boxes. So this is a hard pass for me. And you can't even read, even if I had my glasses on, I don't think I could read the writing on here. I don't think anybody could. It's sad because I don't think I could even give that away, because whoever got it wouldn't know what it was. Okay, next is one Excuse me. Next is One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Full size of this, $38. This moisturizer locks in hydration as you sleep to ward off signs of aging and dullness. And finally, its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula leaves your skin dewy and glowy. Okay, I'm not mad at this. I like nighttime moisturizers. And it has squalene and rosehip oil in it, which I am not opposed to. So this looks like I could get a good amount of uses out of it. So I am not mad at that. And the last thing in here is called This Works. I like that brand. And Stress Check Kind Hands, full size, $22. So nothing in here except the Sunday Riley has been too expensive of a brand. It says, this deeply moisturizing hand cream, I love a hand cream, with vitamin E and shea butter for dry and sensitive hands, provides relief from the effects of overwashing. Massage into dry hands. Let's try this out. I love a good hand cream. And it doesn't have an offensive smell. And it doesn't feel too greasy. It has a nice light smell. I like it. Okay, so 4 out of the 5 products in here I am not mad at. So this was a pretty good box, I would say. So again, I got the Good Genes, lactic acid. I got the hair oil, which I won't be using. I got the One Kind Night moisturizer. I got the Stress Check hand moisturizer. And I got the AHA Balance Me AHA mask. Okay. So, again, and this came in a pretty box this time, and the box actually goes like this instead of a top opening. So, I kind of like that. As long as it's a box, I'm happy, and not a mesh bag or a rubberized thingamajig. Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps my channel out, and it only takes a second. And yeah, I just hope you all are having a fantastic, wonderful day out there. And thank you for picking my video to watch. And if you are not having a great day, I hope something comes along and picks up your day so that you can have a wonderful week or weekend whenever you are watching this. And if you are having an especially hard time, know that I have you in my thoughts, and I am sending you good vibes so that hopefully within time you can get better. It does take time, and just hang in there and remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow in my next video. Okay, stay well until then, and goodbye.